In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, a total communication blackout targets citizens, especially youth, monitored for social media activity. Even factual critiques of India's oppressive rule invite arrest under draconian laws, and local media cannot operate freely. While journalists, they are detained, they are killed or barred from travel, reporting on atrocities or photographing Muharram mourners can be criminalized. India media's projects only its narrative, sidelining independent voices. Daily Kashmir Times offices were shut and its owner and editors booked under draconian laws. So watch what Anuradha Bhasin, executive editor, living literally the life of forced exile in US, revealed on the renowned journalist Karan Thapa's program about the clampdown and systematic suppression in occupied territory.
Ever since 2019, the suppression and intimidation of media has has been exacerbated much more than it was earlier. It existed even before the BJP regime and the Modi regime, but it has been much more. This government is completely intolerant to any word of criticism. Kashmir model of control is to completely disallow journalists from speaking anything that is critical, to ask questions of the government, to disallow young people from working, to disallow freelancers. There are no support mechanisms. The press freedom organizations do not exist in the way that they were existing earlier. Unless and until you are willing to speak the same language, the government is not going to allow you to do your work. And if you're speaking the same language, you're not doing journalism anymore. You are just being a stenographer. You're just taking dictations. And that is what is happening. You cannot silence people under military jackboots. It's not going to show you the true picture. Pahalgam happened because you're telling lies to the people.